I'm about to show you Censys's Host Filters feature within the Censys Search user interface. Sometimes using a filter to narrow results or explore host densities is a useful exploration for analysts seeking to gain context on a group of hosts or quickly pivot an investigation. Censys host filters are a select group of parsed fields gained from Censys scans. These filter categories for hosts are labels, which help indicate the function of hosts, autonomous systems, country locations, service names or protocols, ports, software vendors or manufacturers, and software products. I can click one of these filters at any time, say before I even enter a query. Let's go to China. Not only did I quickly locate over 41 million publicly exposed hosts in China, but now I have the query that I can remember for later. I can then select another filter to add to my query and further narrow my results. Let's see hosts with Open Telnet in China. I can even add the login page label to find exposed login prompts on Chinese hosts running Telnet, a valuable search to identify at-risk hosts. And with only a few clicks, we've already assembled a compound query for a useful host analysis.